Welcome to Fairfield Auto Parts. We've been providing exceptional automotive solutions since 2012. With a vast premises spanning 12,500 square metres, we offer an extensive range of automotive parts and services. Fairfield Auto Parts specialise in supplying genuine used auto parts for all makes, including electric vehicles such as Tesla, Volvo and Polestar. Whether you're looking to purchase individual units or place bulk orders, we have a wide selection of auto parts available. Rest assured, all parts undergo triple inspection and come with a 3-month warranty for components and 6 months for engines and transmissions. Fairfield Auto Parts purchases cars from all auction sites throughout Australia, as well as privately owned vehicles from the public. Our fleet of 9 tow trucks running daily pick up between 100 to 200 cars per week. Once the vehicle arrives, it undergoes careful inspection, including engine and gearbox testing, before being dismantled. All parts are then inventoried and added to our parts system, ready for one of our 7 dismantlers to carefully remove each part from the vehicle. Our parts are also inspected once it has been removed from each vehicle and photo-logged in our photo booth and added to our online platforms like eBay, Facebook and Gumtree. Now that each part has been carefully inspected and logged into our parts program, our sales staff are now ready. Sold parts are then processed through our dispatch team to ensure it is wrapped and packaged for quick dispatch. Our parts are then placed in one of our own fleet of delivery vans and delivered first-hand to each customer, which enables Fairfield Auto Parts to give each customer a quick delivery time. And our drivers also have live GPS tracking. Call our friendly team at Fairfield Auto Parts and Wreckers for all your automotive inquiries. Hope to see you soon.